Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to do an olive green for the holidays look with some yellow, and hopefully you guys like it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. So first things first, we're going to grab my e.l.f. foundation in the shade Sand. We're going to dot all over our face and blend it out with a foundation brush and then set it in with a beauty blender. And my eyebrows are already done, guys, so sorry. After that, we're grabbing our contour stick and Where's Walnut from Wet n Wild, blending that in with a beauty blender. Yeah, pretty much it with that. Then we're going to grab my concealer from CoverGirl, the Outlast All Day in the shade Fair. And we're just going to blend that in with the beauty blender. Then we're going to grab my setting powder, which is Glossier's Wilder in light or medium. I think one of those. And we're just gonna set our under eyes and our face. And now I'm grabbing my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster in medium to dark, and I'm just bronzing up the whole face, which I tend to really love to do because I like a bronze look. I don't like looking really pale. Then I'm gonna grab my Tarteist Pro palette, and I'm gonna use the blush in there. I don't really wear blush, but I'm using the blush in there, so. Then I'm just contouring my nose with the powder in there. And now we're grabbing the Candylicious palette from Bombshell Cosmetica. You guys can use the code not yours, like I told you before, to save some money off. We're grabbing that olive shade from the palette, which is Minty. And then we're going to blend it out with the yellowy shade, which is Honey. We're going to blend it out, cut the crease with some concealer, obviously. And with the shade Minty, we're going to make like a liner wing thing, which is like a wing. Any type of liner look you guys can do. I just wanted to make it double. As you guys can see, there's like stuff going on around me, so yeah. And then I did a double liner with my Kiss Black liner from Makeup Cherimoya. Alright, and then we're going to go back into the Candylicious palette, and we're going to go with the Minty shade again and go under the eyes to kind of just continuously bring out that color. And I think this color is really pretty for holidays because it's still a green and it's not as bright. Then we grab the shade Kisses and Milkshake, which is a silver and like pinky gold shade, and put that on there. Then we grab Milkshake and I use it as a highlighter. Then we grab the shade from Miss Becky G X ColourPop. We grabbed Mija and put that all over our lips. And then Luna lip gloss. That was in my BoxyCharm. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!